Condenser unit overheating is one of the biggest headaches for anyone trying to keep their air conditioner running smoothly, and it can totally wreck your cooling system if you ignore it. So, first off, you gotta keep those condenser coils clean because dirt and grime make the unit work way harder than it should. You can grab a soft brush or a coil cleaner spray and gently scrub the coils every few months. Next, clear out any leaves, grass, or junk lying around the unit since clogged airflow is a major culprit for overheating. Make sure there's at least 2 feet of open space around your condenser so air can flow freely. No tight corners or stuff piled up nearby. Also, it's smart to check your refrigerant levels because low refrigerant means your system struggles to cool and ends up overheating. If you're not sure how to check that, calling a professional is always a good move. Another thing, trim any bushes or plants around the unit to avoid blocking airflow. Don't forget to inspect the fan on top of the condenser to see if it's running smoothly. If it's noisy or slow, that could be a sign it needs fixing or replacing. Finally, regular maintenance is key. Schedule yearly checkups so small problems don't turn into massive repair bills. One of the biggest mistakes people make with condenser unit overheating is ignoring dirty coils. If you let dust build up, your system overheats fast because it can't dump heat properly. The fix? Clean those coils regularly to keep things cool. Another common issue is poor airflow caused by clutter or plants smothering the unit. This makes the condenser work overtime and heat up. Just clear out debris and trim nearby foliage to fix that. Lastly, low refrigerant levels often fly under the radar but seriously mess with your AC's ability to cool and cause overheating. If you notice poor cooling or strange noises, get a pro to check and top off refrigerant if needed. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, so you're not stuck guessing who to call when your AC acts up. Plus, contractors get more chances to score work by connecting with people in their area who need help fast, making it a win-win for everyone.